Hello and welcome back to CoderReborn. Today, we will learn about TextView in Android. TextView is the simplest and most common view. It shows text on the screen. You will use it in almost every app. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to add a text view in XML and change its text from Java code. A text view displays text to the user. It can be a title, a label, a paragraph, or any static text. It can also act like a simple status message. TextView is light and easy to customize. Now let's practice TextView. Open your layout file, Activity Main XML. Switch to Code View so you can type the XML directly. We are going to add a single text view inside the layout. On screen, I will show the XML code. Let's use a linear layout here, and then let's add a text. Here, as you can see, when I type in text, the system automatically suggests me the text view. Now let's click Text View, and now I will explain each important attribute line by line. You can see it says Layout Width. This controls the width of the view. Two common values are Wrap Content and Match Parent. Wrap Content makes the view only as wide as the text inside. Match Parent makes the view fill the available width of its parent container. Use Wrap Content for short labels. Use Match Parent when you want the view to stretch to the full width. You can also set custom width as much you needed. As example, here you can see I set 60 dp width. dp means density independent pixels. Now your text view width is set to 60 dp, you can add as much as you need. Next, layout height. Same idea as width. Wrap Content makes the height match the text. Match Parent fills the parent height. Most of the time we use Wrap Content or custom size for text view. Next, Android text. This is the text that will appear on the screen. You can set it directly like Android text equals hello world, or you can use string resources. To add text, type in text, and you will find it here and click it. Now add any text you want. Let's write, "Hello, my name is Coder."
See, now we can see this text on the screen. Next, Android text size. This controls the size of the text. To add the text size, simply type text size. We use SP units for text size. For example, Android text size equals 30 SP. SP scales with user font settings and is recommended for accessibility. Next, Android text color. You can use a color resource or a hex color. Now have a look. I change this text color to red. Just type text color and then type in color hex code of the color you want to use. If you don't know the color code, then simply open the browser and then search red color hex code. Here you can see we found the code. Now we're going to copy-paste it. See the text color changed? Next, Android ID. You will need an ID if you plan to access this text view from Java. For example, type in ID, and you will see the system automatically suggesting you. Just select it from here, and then click this one. And now give a text ID. Here, I assign it as text1 ID. This gives the view a handle we can use in code. Now let's close the text view using /. Recap. Text view displays text. Layout width and layout height control size. Text, text size, and text color control appearance. Use ID to change the text from Java code. Use SP for text size and DP for spacing. Use string and color resources for maintainability. That is it for this lesson. In the next class, we will learn how to change text programmatically. If this helped you, subscribe and keep learning with CoderReborn. See you in the next video.